Hi Dresser Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a jar of candy, so let's get started. To draw this very sweet jar, let's first start by drawing the lid. So I'm going to come right here and let's draw a straight line across. Say about that wide, and then I'm going to come right back to where I started, round off the corners on both sides, and then I'll bring it straight down. And same thing here. Straight down to say about that much, and then just go ahead and connect it at the bottom of a straight line. There. Then let's come back to the top right here in the center just to decorate the lid. I'm just going to put a little curve right at the top, right in the center. Then from there, let's start to draw the body of the jar. So I'm going to come in a little bit with a little line right here. This is the neck of our jar. Right here, and then I'm going to come out. So just drawing your basic shape, nothing fancy. It's all up to you how you want to draw your jar, what kind of shape you want, but I'm just going to round it off at the top right here. And now that I have that, let's bring it down. So about right here. And here, and then let's bring it in, so not too tall. And I'll round off the bottom right here, and same thing here. And as I come to the bottom, I'll just go ahead and connect it with a softer curve. So now that we have the basic jar shape in, let's come in here, and to make it look like glass, I'm just going to come in and draw and follow my outside. So I'm just giving this little border all the way around. So same thing on this side. And connect. So now that it looks like a glass jar, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to come in this area about right here, and I'll just put in 2 big circles for some Drawsy Cute eyes to make it extra cute, of course. And I'll come right across, say about right here, and draw another circle. And let's make them Drawsy Cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights, and a curved line at the bottom, and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So now that we have the eyes in, let's come above each eye, and I'm going to draw a soft curve over each eye. And in between the eyes, let's draw a sweet smile with a tongue sticking out, because candy is very yum, right? And then cap it off right there. And then now to fill this jar with candy, I'm just going to make them circles just to simplify it, but you can put whatever kind of candy you want in here. And we'll start at the bottom. And I'm just going to go ahead and start with my circles, and I'm basically going to stagger them. So that's my goal, here and there. Let's see here. And they don't have to be all the same size. It really doesn't matter. And I'll just quickly put in some circles here. And you come up here. Draw a big one right here in the center. So you just want to fill up this space. That is your goal. So there could be one right back here. When you're coloring it, just fill in that space with some color, and then you just know that there's some stuff in the back, right? Without having to draw everything. So maybe one right here, just to change it up. So you wanted to make it look a little bit more natural, as if the balls are really, the candy was really in here. So just change up the position. Maybe one right here. Just fill in the space. And let's see, let's fill up this side. And one more. There. So when you go to color these pieces of candy, just put a little highlight right here on every piece of candy right there on each of these circles, and that will really bring it to life. Then from there, let's spruce this up and make it even cuter. So let's come about right here. I'm going to put some hands on this jar. So right here, I'm going to have a curve of line right here. So this one's like on the side of the jar, on the hip. And then pop out a little hand. And then on this side, that'd be really cute to have this jar holding a candy. So I'll bring it up about right here. And then I'm going to draw a circle. So basically kind of like the size of these pieces of candy in here. And then right at the bottom, to make it look like the hand, just kind of thicken this part up. Right there, like it's just holding the candy. And then let's bring this one to life. Put some little eyes and a sweet little smile. You can do that with all these pieces too if you want. But today I'm just going to keep it a little bit simpler and just put a little life to this little piece of candy right here. There. And I'm going to add a heart, of course, right here, to make it my Draw So Cute jar of candy. And I really hope you found this drawing really fun and easy to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.